Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss the structure of a flame. So, dear students, for that we will have to discuss activity 7.6. We have to land a candle, and we have to hold a glass tube with a pair of tungstens and introduce it on the end of the dark zone of a non-figurating candle, as seen in the figure. Bring a lighted matchstick near the other end of the glass tube. Do you see a flame? If so, what is it that produces a flame? Notice the wax near the heated flame melts quickly. The substance which vaporizes during the burning gives flame. For example, kerosene oil and molten wax rises through the wick and vaporizes during the form flame. Charcoal, on the other hand, does not vaporize and does not produce a flame. So, dear students, we know that a substance which vaporizes that forms a flame, which does not vaporize, that do not form a flame. For example, when a candle burns, it burns with a flame. When a kerosene oil burns, it burns with a flame. But when a charcoal burns, charcoal do not produce. Charcoal burns but not produce a flame because charcoal does not vaporize. So when a candle is steadily introduced on a green plate, you see in the picture, luminous part of the flame hold it through. So dear students, sometimes a black ring is formed here in this plate. When we bring a plate over the top of the candle, it indicates the decomposition of unburned carbon particles in the luminous zone of flame. So we can see that when we see about the activity 7.6, we will discuss that a flame is formed by those substances which vaporizes, and those substances which do not vaporizes does not produce a flame, even though they also burn but do not produce some flame. For example, charcoal, it do not produce flame. Wax in candle and kerosene oil produces flame. So dear students, from the activity 7.6 we have studied that how which substances form flame and which substances do not form flame.